I am Dr. Siddharth Misra. I'm an assistant professor at the College of Earth and Energy in University of Oklahoma. I've been here for the last 3.5 years. I work in machine learning, I work in data analysis. My main objective is to make meaningful interpretation out of the subsurface data that we get, mostly for oil and gas applications and for other subsurface engineering problems. Machine learning is applications of algorithms, statistical methods, and softwares for doing a specific task by learning the patterns and trends in data. For developing machine learning algorithms, you don't need to write explicit instructions. Machine learning helps you do those tasks by learning how data can be used to develop a data-driven model. The beauty of data-driven model is as it gets exposed to more and more data, it gets more intelligent and it gets better at doing the task that you're interested in. Machine learning is best suited when you have a large, high-dimensional data set and the data comes from different sources at a very high rate. So you have to quickly process all this data, which is pretty large, to generate some insights. The tasks that machine learning can help you do would be something simple as recommendation. What formation can you drill in? Or what well will be the most productive well? So that's a recommendation. You can use machine learning for recommendations, for making real-time predictions, for finding similarity or dissimilarity between different reservoirs, different fields, different wells. It can help you generate insights that can power your business or decision making. Broadly speaking, machine learning processes a training data set to build a model. Then this model is evaluated on a testing data set. And this entire process of training and testing is continued over multiple iterations till you get a data-driven model that can perform the task in the best possible way. In terms of machine learning, there are three different tasks that generally can be handled. One is supervised learning, the other is unsupervised learning, and the third one is reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning tends to be slightly complex, more difficult. If we just focus on the simpler machine learning algorithms, it will be supervised learning and unsupervised learning. In supervised learning, you have inputs and you have outputs. Machine learning algorithms, they learn from these inputs and outputs, they relate the input to the output. And that's how you can perform your task of function mapping, which takes you from the input space to the output space to perform your task. In terms of unsupervised learning, you just have inputs, you just have data. You have to process this data, you have to figure out the underlying structure of the data, and then you can use this underlying structure to do interesting tasks. It can be as easy as data visualization or as difficult as trying to figure out which of your wells are the most producing or the best producing wells in your field.